What's going on, guys? Today I thought I would do a little bit of a vlog. Right now we're about to start the morning off with a 3-mile jog, my least favorite thing to do. So I'm walking on the trail right now, going to the start of it. I basically just use like a Nike app to kind of track how long I've been going. So I'm going to be doing 3 miles, takes about 30 minutes. Then later I've got some kick training, but for now, let's go ahead and get this dreadful running over with. Alright guys, 3 miles is done. Absolutely exhausted, really hot. About to go rest for a little while, probably a few hours, and then I've got kick training this afternoon. So I'll see you guys for that. All right guys, we have made it to the Taekwondo school. It is time for workout number 2 of the day. So I did 3 miles this morning. Definitely was not fun. I absolutely hate running, but something you just gotta kind of do, get used to. Now we're gonna get a kick session in. Today's session, I'm gonna be doing 500 kicks as my warm up, basically 5 sets of 100 kicks, just nice, easy, kind of paced cardio kicking, nothing too fast or too crazy. And then after that, I'm gonna be doing 12 1-minute freestyle rounds, mixing up between doing it on the Wave Master and on bobs. That's gonna be the core part of today's kick session. Gonna be putting on all of my gear just to make it even more uncomfortable and miserable. But that's gonna be the game plan for today. Like I said, I'm a little tired from running, but that's okay. We're gonna push through this workout. Let's get started. Alright guys, finished up the session, took about an hour. I actually did feel a little bit better today versus the last 2 weeks, so maybe that means I'm slowly getting used to my 3-mile morning jog before coming to do this. Maybe, maybe not, but I didn't feel as bad today as I did the last couple weeks. Still a really rough session though. I am exhausted, I'm drenched for the second time today. But I hope you guys enjoyed that little footage. I'm gonna pack stuff up, go home, shower. I'll check in with you guys in a little bit later. All right guys, we have finally gotten home. I relaxed, took a shower, ate some lunch. Now basically the rest of my day I just spend here just at the counter doing some video editing. I do some YouTube notes for planning out some future videos. And then also I've got another notebook down that I plan out my Zoom classes and my one-on-one sessions for my Patreon members, which you guys haven't checked that out, I'm gonna link it, first link in the description box down below if you guys want to join my next Zoom class or if you want a one-on-one session with me. Details will be in that first website link in the description box down below. That's basically just kind of what I'm doing, just video editing, video note planning, and then Zoom class and one-on-one session planning, and then I also do some emails for my one-on-one coaching as well. That's basically just how I spend my Mondays. Really good strong start to the week. Started off first part of the day with all that training, which definitely makes me exhausted, but then I just kind of relax, just work on just this stuff the rest of the day, and that's basically it. Nice Nice, good start to the week. Hope you all did enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what else you guys want to see in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and if you guys are interested in training with me one-on-one, visit alexwongtkd.com, first link in the description box down below. Thank you guys for sticking to the end of the video. I'll see you guys later. Oh, and real quick, I almost forgot, I haven't shown you guys on video my YouTube silver play button. I know that I did make a picture post on Instagram, Facebook, and on YouTube here, but I haven't shown it to you in an actual video. So here it is. Let's see if it'll focus. Focus, there we go. There it is right there. So here's that silver play button. Finally got my hands on it. This is thanks to all of you guys. So thank you guys so much for all this. Just wanted to show it to you because I haven't shown it on video yet. But thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys later.